Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to change your account name on Windows 10. So if this is your first time visiting our channel, you make sure you like, subscribe and share so that you'll be able to miss our upcoming videos. Without wasting much of your time, let's begin. So the first thing is that you simply need to search for what? Control panel. Once you're there, you simply click on it. After which you simply click on what? Users account. So once you're there, you simply click on what? Change account type. After that, you click on it. So guys, you are going to see change account name. You click on it. So you simply need to insert your new account name. Let's say elect TV. Once you're done with that, you simply click on what? Change name. So guys, that's actually the way you change your PC name in Windows 10. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.